Hey everyone, it's Carol Foderick from the Carol Foderick Real Estate Group here at Signature Elite Realty. It is November 2025, and I'm here to share a quick update on what's happening in the Greater Toronto real estate market. The October Toronto Regional Real Estate Board stats, which were presented this week, representing most of the GTA, just released this past week, and it continues to show a market leaning in favor of buyers. Average selling prices have been edging down, and with lower mortgage rates coming into play, more people are finding it easier to step back into market. That being said, even though both affordability and borrowing costs are improving, the larger concern right now is the broader economic uncertainty in Canada, which has started to eclipse both of those factors. We are hoping to see some progress on that front soon, as greater confidence in the economy would help to restore momentum in negotiations and overall market activity. In October, there were 6,138 sales across the GTA, which is down about 9.5% compared to the same time last year. But the bigger story, again, is listings. More than 16,000 new properties hit the market, a 2.7% increase year over year. With so much inventory available, buyers just have more choice, they're negotiating more aggressively, and sellers are needing to be a little bit more strategic when it comes to pricing and presentation of their home. Month over month, sales were down 7.2% in October compared to the same month last year, showing that even as inventory grows, many buyers are still taking a cautious wait-and-see approach. For homeowners who have been thinking about moving, this type of market can actually open doors. If you've been planning to move up to a larger property or into a different, more expensive area, although you may sell for less than what you would have during a peak year, you are still likely to buy for much less too, which can make the overall transition more affordable in the long run. For buyers, this is a time to stay patient, but also to stay prepared. There are opportunities emerging, especially if you're pre-approved and ready to act when the right property comes along. Even though interest rates are still higher than many would like them to be, we are expecting gradual easing to continue into next year, and that could spark renewed activity as affordability improves. Savvy investors are also taking advantage of this market. With prices adjusting and competition easing, many are securing really quality, well-renovated properties, especially with rental or multi-unit potential, at values that simply weren't possible a couple of years ago. Strong rental demand continues across much of the GTA, which means that the right investment today could deliver solid cash flow and meaningful appreciation once the next market cycle begins. And as for renters, this is a pivotal moment to reassess. In many areas, monthly rental payments are now meeting or even exceeding the cost of home ownership on similar properties. So with borrowing costs and home prices coming down, it's worth running the numbers to see if home ownership could actually offer greater stability and long-term benefits for you. And even if buying isn't immediate, exploring what possible help renters can do to help prepare them strategically for when the right opportunity presents itself. Looking ahead, the main things we're watching right now are new listing volumes and how quickly that new listing inventory gets absorbed into the marketplace. Every neighborhood, every property type is behaving a little bit differently right now. So if you'd like a personalized update for your area, or you just want to talk about timing, please reach out to me anytime. I'd be happy to walk you through what's happening locally and what it could mean for your plans. And at the end of the day, guys, remember, real estate is more than just about market stats and headlines. It's about people, it's about families, and it's about the next chapter in your lives. Our team is always here to listen, answer questions, help you navigate your decisions with clarity and confidence. So whether you're planning your next move or you're simply looking to support someone who could use some trusted advice, it would truly be a pleasure for us at the Carol Foderick Real Estate Group to be part of that journey. So thanks again for watching, everybody, and I will catch up with you again soon. Take care.